Hi and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install a new and fresh Joomla installation. First of all, I go to the file manager. Like you can see, I already have a Joomla website, so for the purpose of this video I create a new directory in this website just to show you how to create a new website. I click on OK. And now I've created the directory. I'm going in the directory. This is all empty. And now I'm going to upload a file, because I've just downloaded Joomla. I go to the Joomla full package here. I click on open. I upload the complete file. The full package is now installed, but it's not yet unzipped. I need it to be unzipped so that I can use it. I'm going to click on more here, and I'm going to extract the files. I click on OK. So now I have this all installed. And then I go to the website. It's called Joomla for Video. Joomla for Video. Joomla for Video. Joomla for this video. Yeah, you can add your own description of your site. Email address, your email address, and your provider. .nl, username, admin, password. Okay. Then I click on next. Name database. Let's see. And this is for the database that I created in a previous video. Just for this video. I need the name of the database. I need the, let's see. This is all the database stuff, so. And this is the username. And just for the purpose of the video, I created the same username and password, but usually you use a different password. But since it's just for the video, and I remove the site later, I just made it the same. I click on next. Okay, I can install some example data. Just create this one, for example. I click on install, and after that I remove the map for installation, because if I don't do that I get the same install screen again the next time. Now I go to the website. So this is what I've just created. And if you want to go to administrator, this is where the administrator is located. This is where the administrator is located, and then you click on login. This is the admin panel of the Joomla website. I hope you liked the tutorial, and I hope you will come back to my channel to visit more of my tutorials and videos.